Good day everyone, I am BJ Baldomero, the first reporter from Group 12 with the topic in Chapter 7, Clinical and Counseling Assessment. Interview is one of the most important part in counseling. A psychologist will conduct an initial meeting known as the clinical interview. This is when a client is assessed about the types of problems he or she is currently dealing with. Interview is used also as a way to gather relevant information to help determine an appropriate course of treatment. In initial interview, it focuses on gathering information. Therapists generally gather demographic information, for example, marital status, race or ethnicity, and employment, and information about current problems, for example, frequency of problem, degree problem affects functioning, and previous attempts to solve problems. Additional questions are asked about social support, medical history, and current medications. Furthermore, therapists may ask questions regarding suicide, substance use, and issues of violence. The information gathered during the initial clinical interview influences the treatment plan, so honest communication is essential to permit accurate assessment. The initial interview and other interviewing assessments conducted during the counseling process can be useful in assessing clients. The effectiveness of clinical interviewing is more dependent on counselors' communication skills than are more formal assessment techniques. Depending on the type of information sought, therapists may use formal assessments and behavioral observations to supplement the clinical interview. These techniques help gather information in a systematic manner. However, many counselors believe there is no substitute for the wealth of information typically gained during the clinical interview. This is the end of my part. Thank you for listening.